Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Grain storage, common storage methods and different types of silo methods.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of jet mills?
New consumer survey reveals demand for scientifically proven prebiotics.
FAO warns of potentially devastating Moroccan locust outbreak in Afghanistan's wheat basket.
High rice rates at 4-month high, Vietnam sees strong activity.
Combined heat and power, CHP, a productive and clean way to deal with creating electric power and thermal power from a solitary fuel source.
Rapidly growing defense and aerospace sector to boost tritium light source market.
Caption news on Flakers conversion.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Base 2023, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.